everyone, this is Hiril from Scrappy Happy Crafts and I'm back with another video for Craftreat. 3 fun and easy techniques with stencils for card makers. So let's get started and I'll show you all how I did 3 cards with stencils from Craftreat. So here I'm starting with first stencil which I took is Flower Fusion Triangles and Flower Fusion Plate. I am starting with Flower Fusion Plate stencil. I'll take a masking paper and I'll trace out the flower as shown in between the stencil. That will make my work easier when I'm actually blending inks on the base of the card. So let's see how I trace the flowers and flower cluster actually, and how I proceed with my card. taking another stencil, which is Beautiful Ride and Soar High. I'll make another card with Soar High stencil. So let's see what I do with my next card. The third and last stencil I used for my card is the new release stencil, which is the happy birthday one, and this is super fun to create as this is a turnabout stencil and you can create lots and lots of different patterns with it. You can actually make a card base, you can actually do a wrapping paper with this, like turning it above, and you can also make your own pattern papers, and there are lots of other things you can explore with this stencil. So here I am making the third card with this stencil, and see how I am blending different birthday colors and like to make it more cheerful and more colorful, I guess. And I'll turn about the stencil and you will see how it creates a beautiful pattern on the card base. So let's see.